What's up everyone, this is Jalay. Welcome back to another video. Today I will be unboxing a very inexpensive pair of studio headphones, the AKG K52. These are closed back headphones providing you isolation from the outside noise. It has a self-adjusting headband, which means that the band itself will automatically adjust, ensuring a perfect fit. The cable comes with a 3.5mm audio jack to a 6.3mm or a quarter-inch adapter. Don't worry about the specifications hidden under this sticker, as I will cover all of them once we get the headphones out of the box. So let's jump right into it. The first thing you will see inside the box is the headphones. Let's put them aside and see what else we get. I have no idea what this is. If you can read this and translate it into English, I would really appreciate a comment down below. The next one is the warranty information card, and the AKG K52 comes with 2 years of limited warranty from the date of invoice. Coming back to the headphones, my first impression is that they are super lightweight, weighing only 200 grams. On both the ear cups, you will find the AKG branding with the model number. The AKG K52 comes with a very premium matte black finish, making it look really nice. The replaceable cushions on the AKG K52 are very soft and should make you feel very comfortable while wearing them. The size of the cushion is also decent and should completely cover your ears without touching them. Everything is built with plastic except for these metal headband strips. Instead of the size adjusting mechanism, the AKG K52 has this self-adjusting headband which will take care of ensuring a perfect fit. Lastly, the 2.5 meter long cable is very well built and comes with 3.5mm to a 6.3mm or a quarter-inch adapter, allowing the headphones to be used with any professional audio equipments like mixing amplifiers, keyboards, and so on. What makes these headphones studio level is the drivers installed inside them. They have professional grade 40mm transducers delivering a balanced frequency response. Speaking of frequency response, it has a frequency range from 18Hz to 20 kHz. These headphones have input impedance or sensitivity of 32 ohms, which means you can drive them to full power by normal phones, tablets, computers, or any professional audio equipment. Overall, I feel that the AKG K52s are pretty solid headphones. The build quality of these headphones look really good thanks to these metal headband strips. I bought these headphones for just 1500 rupees and cannot wait to experience using them. I will release another video shortly sharing my full review of these headphones after I use them for a while, so be sure to subscribe. Anyway, that's been it for this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys in the next one.